Today I'm going to show you how to change your OGG files into M4A. The simplest way is to use WALTR PRO. This app is super awesome because it's simple and all you have to do is drag and drop. Boom, just like that. Out comes the M4A file. What's really awesome is you can change where you want these files to go after conversion, and you can even connect your other devices like an iPad or an iPhone through Wi-Fi. And there's a bunch of other features that I'm not including in this video, such as Apple Music. Check out the other videos for that. But there you go. How simple was that? OGG to M4A. And that's by WALTR PRO. So let's find out how you get WALTR PRO. It's by these guys, Softorino. Head over to their website, softorino.com. Under products, you'll see WALTR PRO. Here's the download button, and there's the license. It's super affordable. But you might as well check out their universal license because you get all of these all for one license. So WALTR PRO, like I was just talking about, folder colorizer for Mac. You can see that right here. Custom folder colors. It does more than just colors, by the way. There's iRing for your iPhone and so much more for Windows, with more coming later. So that's softorino.com. And also stop by the Learn How button to help how you can stop the war in Ukraine. Thanks for watching.